Yes, you're looking at a sweaty man. How's it going? If you're here, you're probably looking for some FPV related content. But today, you're gonna get fishing. Let's do some fishing. Hopefully, ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna catch something nice today. So, I'm here at my local park again. I actually wanted to find a new spot, but it was kind of a battle between finding a new spot or flying while the light was good, and I chose to go for the latter. Yeah, so you may have noticed that I'm in a self-proposed competition to 1,000 subs. I don't usually push I kind of push subscriber count. Don't let me lie. I mean, I do my fair share of marketing, I guess, but I mean, nothing major. I put out one campaign once because they gave me free credits, but typically I just make my video, I post it to a few places, I make a preview video, and then and that's it. On to the next one. But yeah, racing Reckless FPV to 1,000 subs. I saw he was just like blowing up as far as subscriber count is concerned, and I thought, hey, wanna race? And he was like, sure. And he's like, well, we should probably have some stakes. First I thought, well, maybe we should let the community decide. And then thought, nah, maybe not. So he came up with the idea, the loser will have to sing karaoke on their channel, live. And I said, maybe we can have the community pick the song, no matter how bad. I did let him know, I was like, hey, you know, I sing on my channel already. He was like, well, shouldn't be a problem then. All right. I don't consider myself to be a great singer or anything, but I do enjoy it. The water is high at the spot. Nobody's on the lake. Maybe I'll take advantage of that.
Something bad is about to happen to me. I don't know what, but I feel it coming. Might be so sad, might leave my nose running. I just hope she don't wanna leave me. Don't you give me up, please. Don't give up on me. I belong with you, only you. darling, only you. Something bad is about to happen to me. Why I feel this way, I don't know, maybe I think of her so much, it drives me crazy. I just don't want her to leave me. Don't you give me up, please. Don't give up on me. I belong with you and only you, babe. Only you, my girl, only you, babe. Only you, darling, only you, babe. Only you, my girl, only you, babe. Only you, darling, only you. The bad thoughts linger for far too long. What if she's fine? It's my mind that's wrong. And I just let bad thoughts linger for far too long. Don't you give me up, please. Don't give up on me. I belong with you and only you, babe. Only you, my girl, only you, babe. Only you, darling, only you, babe. Only you, my girl, only you, babe. Only you, darling, only you.
Still recording? Oh my goodness. It's still recording.